Thank you very much for the possibility to say some words about Eisenhower Fellowships, which is not a scholarship, so it is some kind of exception comparing before we could listen to the other fellowship program. Our fellowship was some kind of gift of Dwight Eisenhower, the President of the United States in 1953. And from that time, every year, 2 times, 25 people are invited from 49 countries to make a network, to create a partnership with American experts, and Hungarian fellows could join to this fellowship program from the 70s. And we are not a big group, we are only 20 altogether. But this fellowship is for leaders between 32 and 45. And this leader has a great opportunity to travel to the United States and implement a personally tailored program. I would like to mention some people who are Eisenhower Fellows, and maybe most of you know them. For example, Professor Kevitsky, who was the Secretary General of the Hungarian Academy of Science, or Kalman Kovács, who was Minister of Informatics, or György Raskó, who was State Secretary of the Agriculture. In 2008, there was a big event in our family, because the Eisenhower Fellowship is a big family, and they established a day worldwide. And this year, I'm so proud because I was the organizer. In Hungary, we could organize the first Eisenhower Day in Budapest at Óbuda University, and we have a promise we can follow and establish a tradition of this Day of Eisenhower Fellowship. So I would like to encourage you to contact us, because maybe you will be the next candidate, and I wish you all to be involved in this marvelous program. Thank you very much.